Today's session discuss 12th standard chemistry. First lesson is the metallurgical lessons. Electrochemical principle of metallurgy discuss, very important 5 mark students. So apply of the thermodynamic principles and the electrochemical principle application of metallurgical process students. So reductions of oxides. So active metals like that sodium, potassium, etc. By important point, carbon is a thermodynamically not fusible, students. So metal are extracted their ore electrochemical method. So the technique is metal salt fused from or in solution form. So how to the fuse of solution form? So based on the Gibbs free energy in apply of electrolysis process. So from EMF electromotive force apply of electromotive force apply based on the delta G naught equal to minus n F E naught. So G is a Gibbs free energy, F is also Faraday, E is also electrode potential. So the potential is based on that redox couple. So redox reduction and oxidation function of involve of the solutions. So E naught is a positive, delta G is a negative, is a reduction spontaneous is a equation, is called the redox function. Is the apply of the EMF electromotive force in the redox reaction is positive. So example like that, copper solids and silver is also pure, silver is also impure. So to get the electron transfer reactions into the solution, copper is also loss of 2 plus, so silver will be the pure solids getting. So compared to that, copper 2 plus in zinc, so copper is also purified and zinc also impurified. Variations is transferred to the electron space is also aqueous to solid convert, solid to aqueous conversion is also electrochemical principle of two cells will be discussed for the second volume book. So importance, so electrochemical extraction of aluminium Hall-Hérold process. What is the Hall-Hérold process? The carbon coating of the cell. So chamber of 3 chamber is like that. So apply of the carried out electrolysis is ion tank is also covered with ion tank in coating with carbon act is called cathode. The carbon block is also immersed inside. Is the electrolyte is act as anode. So 20% solution of aluminium from the bauxite. So aluminium bauxite is also reduction from aluminium 3 plus to oxygen atom. So molten the cryolite is taking about the electrolysis chamber. 10% calcium chloride added the solution in that reactions. The calcium chloride help us of the lower the melting point in mixtures. So above temperature will be in maintenance 1217 Kelvin. So reaction of cathode, so aluminium in the melt in liquid state solid to the cryolite from the melt in the product cathode function is a pure aluminium liquid state collected. So anode part, oxygen atom melt in the pure oxygen is also 12 electrons is also involved of the reactions. So carbon act as the anode following the reaction take place. The carbon is gain melt of the oxide atom to give the carbon monoxide or carbon dioxide to form. So overall reaction will be considered aluminium oxygen melt and with carbon involved of the reduction delta G value is more negative. So to give the pure aluminium is also deposited of cathode. So a very important process of Hall-Hérold process. So important to 3 mark or 5 mark electrochemical principle of metallurgy. Another one questions of electrochemical extraction of aluminium in Hall-Hérold process. So refining process. How to the refining extracted from the ore impurities such as of the metal oxides is also non-metals. Remove of the impurities such as the isolated the crude metal is called refining process. First of all, refining is a distillation process. Lower boiling volatile metals like zinc is the boiling point and mercury like that is the impure metal heated evaporated to vapor consider get the pure metal is the distillation method. and liquefaction method and liquefaction method. So 11th standard studied. So thermodynamics lessons is a liquefaction is also high melting points on metals is such as the tin, lead, mercury, bismuth. It's like that the slope surface is a different melting point is also variation to liquefaction. So metal will be collected. So molten pure metal is a flow down is a liquid state, particular temperature variation in liquefaction Kelvin. The molten metal is will be collected. Next will be solidified. Electro refining process is the electro refining is the rod impure metal, another one anode, another pure metal will be cathode. In the electrochemical electrolysis liquids will be applied is the electrolysis process. Electropositive impurities will be anode, settle down the bottom, remove to the anode mud is the electro refining process. Next, so electrochemical process applied to the refining of silver, example like that cathode pure silver, anode impure silver rod. So electrolytic acidified is the silver nitrate AgNO3 will be applied. So reaction spot silver, so anode silver is in aqueous solid state to aqueous state will be changed. 1 electrons involved of the electrolytic cells in the electrolytic solutions. So reactions of cathode, 1 electrons gain of impure silver get deposited to the cathode, precipitate into the settle down. Under that less electrons involved of the anode is also less electrons enter the solution. The positively charged of the silver contains migrate towards to the cathode is a discharge to the gain of electrons deposited to cathode. The precipitated settle down deposited of cathode part pure silver is also deposited. So other metal like that the copper, zinc is also extracted. That method is also refining process. Next, important of the zone refining. So very important 5 mark. So process is the fractional crystallization. Impurity metal allowed to the solidified. Impurities is also molten reagent. Coating of the molten reagent on fully molten reagents of impurities. The impurity more soluble of the melt the solid state of metal is impurity metal takes from the rod. The rod will be heated to the mobile induction. So slowly move to the move travel to that. The heater slowly moved other end. Started to other end. It will be move the other end is also pure metal is crystallizes. Impurities will be move the adjacent molten. So adjacent molten impurities is also settled down is a molten zone from that movement of the heater. So several times is also repeated the process, heater the same direction again. So example like that the zone refining process such as the purified the metal means germanium, some like that the semiconductor metal is germanium, silicon, gallium is a semiconductor using the process. So vapor phase method, the metal is a suitable reagent is also valential compound is a compared to the decomposed and the pure metal is also following the method. Example Mann process. So very important 2 mark or 3 mark. So nickel solid state will be react with carbonyl. So nickel carbonyl formed. So the nickel tetracarbonyl is the gaseous state. In the separated the purified to nickel is a Mann process refining is a volatile nickel tetracarbonyl settle down of nickel solid state is the Van der Waals method. Another one important 2 mark question. So Van der Waals method is the thermodynamically thermal decomposition metal compound is a formation to the pure metal. The titanium or zirconium is the titanium tetraiodide form of the complex is vapor state same. So titanium react with iodine to give the titanium tetraiodide. In the vapor state is also the volatile tetracarbonyl vapor is the tungsten filament temperature is around 1800. Titanium tetraiodide is decomposes the pure titanium deposited to the filament is iodine is the same reduced. So solid iodine will be reduced. The solid titanium is also purified. So next important applications of purification of metal from the uses of metals. So application of aluminum. So aircraft good conductor and excessive sinks and cooking vessels, aluminum foils, packing materials is also more important. So chemical reactors and high resistant corrosions, medical equipments and refrigeration unit, gas pipelines. So very important like that the aluminium. So is the same electrical overlap, electrical cables, steel core of the strength, and applications of important of zinc. So metallic zinc is also galvanizing process, uses iron and steel, rusting of the corrosion and die casting, automobile importance. So zinc oxide used of the paint, rubber, cosmetics like that. Next important of zinc is the plastics used of the pharmaceutical lines, ink, batteries, textiles, electrical equipments is like that. The zinc sulfide used of the manganese making is also luminous paints, fluorescent light and X-ray screens. So very important like uses of brass alloys in the zinc used in water valves. Next iron importance already known. Metal alloys is a electricity pylons and bicycle chains, cutting of tools. So most important like that. So alloys from ions is stainless steel, very resistant to corrosion, and architectures and beverage, cutleries, surgical instruments, jewelry, making cables, aeroplane parts, chrome steels is the most of making uses of iron. Copper, form of alloys of bronze and brass, coins, ornaments, gold, like that the copper is very important uses. Next will be the gold. So expensive and precious metal, coinage to cover thin layer, electroplating process, used of the electroplating to cover metal with a thin layer, and watches, dental filaments and electrical connected. Gold is the nanoparticle is increasing efficiency of solar cells is the catalyst. So and most of the importance of the metallurgical process separated to the pure metals and important uses of most of daily life are humans. The example like that the Indian iron pillar is also Delhi is Asoka is Asoka pillar considered the 23 feet 8 inches high, so 16 inches weight of 6,000 kilo. So compared to the Mizawite is the uniform layer of ions. So those not rust is the Indian famous Asoka is a corrosive resistance. So of important compound is like that the iron, oxygen, hydrogen. What is the ratio of the Mizawite is also very important. Is Asoka filler do not rust, very important. Is the approaches of the in older kings is also important of Asoka. Like that the iron pillar is a Delhi. Iron pillar is known as is a very important one of the metallurgical process consist. Will be the metallurgical process. The technique is also used of the before generations from Asoka. Thank you to all students.